after you have connected your Facebook pixel with the website, now it's time to create a custom audience, which is basically an audience that's going to be collecting the visitors of your website, and then you can use this audience to show them ads again, which is called retargeting, by the way. Or you could maybe show them some specific offers specifically for the audience that is kind of already in touch with your product or brand. To do that, we need to go to the menu that's located under Advertise section. It's called Audiences. And when you're here, you need to click on this Create Audience button, then the Custom Audience. Then we select the website if we're working with a website. If you're working with an app, then just select the app activity. Then we click Next. Here you'll be shown all the pixels that are connected to this account. So I'm gonna go with this one. Then Events. Basically you have a few options here. So if you want to specify the page, let's say you have a few different products on your website. I'm gonna say like apples, pineapples, and pears. And you want to work with the audience that was interested specifically in apples. Then you need to select this option. And then here, you just need to add a part of the URL of your website. Let's say it was something like shop.com/apples, and you just add this /apples part. You can also just put the entire URL here, but yeah, probably contains part is better, because if you're adding some UTM terms or something additional to your link, it's not gonna work properly. So I'm gonna go with maybe just all website visitors. The third option, by the way, is to categorize your audience by the time they spent on your website. So here you have 3 options as far as I remember. Yeah. So one of them is like every one of them is just the percentile of like top 10% of people who spend the most time on your website. You can also specify the audience retention here, and in addition to this time spent option, you can also specify the page. So if you want to select all the people who, like top 10% of the people who spend the most time on our /apples page, then we just need to click this button and again type apples here, and it's gonna be collecting in, yeah, here I was saying 10%. And then it's gonna be collecting those specific people. We can also add another page, let's say peers. Then it's gonna be collecting top 10% of the visitors by their time spent on those 2 pages. So you can also work with this option. Basically, you can add a few different kind of filters, and then tell the system to collect all those people and group them in like one group, basically. So yeah, after you've selected your filters, you can just call your audience somehow. So I'm gonna call them, what was that? So top 10% by time spent. This is, by the way, how I usually call the audiences. It's just what we were selecting, and we just converted to words so that later on we can read what was that audience about. And then let's say apples, pears. We can add a description as well if it's something really specific. And then we just click this Create Audience button. And yep, here we go. Now we have new audience. We can also check how many people are there. So the estimation by Facebook. Right now, this pixel, I don't think it's really active, so the estimated audience size is below 1,000. And yeah, we have selected something like Apples and Peers. Those pages are not on the website that is connected to this pixel, but it's gonna be showing the approximate numbers for your website. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe and drop a comment below. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to assist you, and see you in the next one.